Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a Runna referral code. As you can see right here, I used this referral code, okay? And using these actually give you Runna Premium. As you can see, I actually got 2 weeks for free, right? You can try using my code, but if you want to learn how to do this, I just opened my browser, just type in Runna referral code. You'll find a lot of posts on Reddit. I suggest you go for the ones that are more latest, such as this one. This one is only from 3 months ago. You can find all of these different codes. What you can also do is get these on Facebook as well. That's another good place. In Instagram, that's another one. But otherwise, it's really that easy to get a Runna referral code. So I hope this helped you out.